Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera I bid to all. As we are now in the fourth industrial revolution, also known as Industry 4.0, it is vital that every sectors in Malaysia take actions in upgrading their management, technology and ways of dealing with problems. Hence, textile industry are too not exempted. In weaving process, an industrial loom is indeed a powerful machine that contributes to this industry. But for students, this machine seems very dangerous to handle as this machine requires a very high skill which considers as a challenge, especially for educational purposes. By that, we introduce to you the mini hand loom, a safe and environmentally friendly way to learn to make hand-weave garments. This project aims to provide the students with proper and safe practices. As the saying goes, modern problems require modern solutions.
Innovation of this mini handloom comes with three main objectives, which are: first, to produce a functional product that is low cost and made out of environmentally friendly materials. Second, to create a safe study for students. And third, to allow students to grasp the concept better before handling the industrial loom.
There are several functions that we as a team believe that this mini handloom can benefit us all. This project is affordable because all materials used to build the loom are easy to find and low cost. So we believe that this invention is not considered a burden during this pandemic COVID-19. Next, create a safe study environment for the internship students before handling the full-size loom machine. The students are indeed safe from any danger.
The cost estimation to produce this mini hand loom is just about 30 ringgit. Yes, this could happen because most of the items required to build this mini hand loom can be used from recycling items around your house. As the cost is preferably cheap, so everyone that is interested in learning about weaving can build and practice on their own. This would help the learner get the real picture of how the weaving process works.
Our target market is mainly composed of educators and students who are interested in industrial loom construction. First, the educators can use this loom as an indicator to demonstrate the loom function precisely towards the students. Secondly, the intern students can use this loom to have a safe practice and gain more experience before handling the industrial loom. Lastly, for the students, this innovation will help them to gain hands-on experience.
Our marketing strategies are introducing this project to the school board. Then, the school board can practice this new practical learning method with their students. Other than that, we will commercialize this method on social media such as Instagram, Twitter, TikTok and much more, as we believe that social media is indeed a perfect platform to introduce this project.
As for the first prototype, we had made the basic function in the weaving machine to get the overall picture on how to make the mini hand loom easy yet had the fullest function like the full-size loom machine. So, after several trials and modification, we came out with a mini hand loom that is easy to construct, compact and fully functional. The result can be seen in the final prototype.